Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cards disappear and reappear. We'll start by exploring the foundational principles of card magic, focusing on the essential sleight of hand techniques that create the illusion. Understanding the mechanics of these moves is crucial for a convincing performance. We'll cover the precise grip and finger positions needed to control the card's movement, ensuring a smooth and undetectable vanish. This initial step sets the stage for all advanced card magic. Next, let's delve into the classic palm vanish, a cornerstone technique for making a card disappear. This method involves holding the card flat against your palm, using the natural curve of your hand to hide it. Your thumb and pinky finger play a vital role in securing the card, preventing any accidental slips. The goal is to make the card seem to vanish into thin air, completely concealed from your audience's perspective, ready for its reappearance. Now that we've made the card disappear, let's bring it back. Reappearing the card is just as important as its vanish. One common method involves producing the card from behind another object or from your fingertips. The key is a fluid, unhurried motion that makes the card seem to materialize effortlessly. Experiment with various reveal techniques to add flair and surprise to your performance, keeping your audience engaged and amazed by your skill. Consistent practice is paramount to mastering these card illusions. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to refine your sleights and ensure smooth transitions. Remember, misdirection is your most powerful tool. Guide your audience's attention away from the secret moves. Finally, develop a unique and engaging presentation style. Your confidence and storytelling will elevate a simple trick into a truly magical experience, leaving a lasting impression on everyone watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.